In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Trello board in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just getting started, regularly backing up your boards is a crucial step to ensure all your important information is safe and secure. So, let's dive right in and walk through the easy steps to creating a backup. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Trello website by simply typing in trello.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll notice the login button located at the top right corner of your screen. Give it a click and you'll see a few options to sign in. Today, we'll make things simple by using Google to log in. Click on the Google option, then select the Google account associated with your Trello account. If prompted, enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Trello homepage where you can see all your boards. Go ahead and open the specific board you want to back up. You're halfway there. Now focus your attention on the top right corner of your board where you'll find 3 dots. This is the menu icon. Clicking there will reveal a list of options. From this list, look for the option that says Print, Export, and Share. Click on it. This is where Trello gives you the flexibility to manage your board's data in different formats. Now you're going to see something called Export as JSON. This is the magic button we've been aiming for. When you click on Export as JSON, Trello will immediately download a file that contains all the data from your board in a JSON format. You might be wondering, why JSON? Well, JSON is a very versatile format, commonly used due to its simplicity and readability. It's structured in a way that's easy for both humans and machines to read, making it a great choice for data backup. You can open this JSON file in many applications, including simple text editors or more advanced data analysis tools. Once your JSON file is safely tucked away in your Downloads folder, consider moving it to a more permanent and secure location, like a cloud storage service or an external hard drive, to ensure that it's accessible whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up your Trello board with just a few clicks. By maintaining regular backups, you're protecting your work and ensuring that no matter what happens, you will always have access to your valuable data. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others who could benefit from learning how to secure their Trello boards. Happy organizing!